About 4 months ago, I posted a video of how I damaged my joiner knives by jointing Baltic birch plywood, and my solution, I was hoping, was to replace my steel knives with some carbide knives that I got from My Woodcutters. And I've been using these for about 4 months now, on and off. I've planed a variety of materials, some ash, oak, spruce, and I even pushed some more Baltic birch through there because I wanted a perfectly square fence on my new table saw sled. And I've already had to shift the knives a couple times. You can see there's one ridge right there that's from one of the nicks, and you can see on the edge of this piece the effects of, if it will focus, you can see the effects of there we go, of that Baltic birch plywood. It's pretty subtle, but you can see the ridges in there, and I can definitely feel it. And looking down inside the blade, you can see the nick right where that arrow is. It's not huge, but it's enough to be noticeable, and then you have to scrape that off before edge joining any boards together. So I think that since the carbide knives were $80 and the steel ones normally run around $15 each, I probably would have been better off just sticking with the steel ones until I decide to splurge and buy one of those Shelix helical cutter heads, and that way I could just replace a couple individual tips if I get some nicks, and maybe just buy a couple spare tips that I could put on there every time I'm going to plane or joint rather any Baltic birch plywood. So hopefully that helps you make your decision and saves you from making an $80 mistake.